I love the videos from code.org. I always feel so energized and empowered after I watch them. And it's amazing to see what kids your age are doing and what they're experimenting with. And who knows, someone in your generation will probably be the first person to either walk on Mars or live on Mars. Couple couple statements that really stuck with me were go after it. And if you can dream it, you can do it. And that's so true of anything you do in life. If you can dream it, you can do it. So practice, 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 and you'll get there. Things you're going to need today are your Chromebook, log in for code.org, and a can do attitude. Two terms I want everyone to be familiar with. Two. The first one is coding. How many of you in the room know what coding means? Let's share. Coding means to write code or to write instructions for a computer. Is that what you said? The next one is debugging. Debugging. I love this word. It means to check code for mistakes and to try to fix errors. I found when I'm teaching code to any of my students, it's best to throw problems up on the board where everybody can see it and everybody can take a look and say, I think I spot the problem. Let's try. And then with that can do attitude, we try fixing the code. So when we get stuck as an individual, it's important to reach out to your peers in the classroom and ask for a little bit of help or to have them look at your code and see if they notice anything that's tripping me up. I do that all the time with stuff that I do just for code. So it's a good skill to have. Once you get to this page, you're going to be choosing your coding activity. Lego Bits and Bricks is a program. It's done with arrow keys. It's a virus loose on the planet Cybit. You want to help Cybit by solving puzzles with the arrow keys. Then there's another version of Flappy Bird. I hear you guys talking about Flappy Bird, so that's why I picked this one out. You're going to create a custom version of Flappy Bird with drag and drop coding. You're going to practice using events, so you're going to get really, really good at events. Couple things. Right here, you're going to see it's underlined and it turns into a hand. The hand means that the link to go to the website for Lego Bits and Bricks is right here. The link for Flappy Bird is here. Now, these that are highlighted in blue, talk through videos, talk through videos. If you need to go through a think through process with me and talk through the videos and how to solve them, like how to understand and move through the grid or how to use the events, that's what these videos are for. If you really, really, really get stuck, they're there to help you. Sometimes your class might choose to just put the video up on the board and go through the programming step by step. Other times, your class might decide to let you work in pairs. Pair programming is awesome. Work in pairs. When you get stuck, go to the videos. So that's what these two things mean. Here is the link to the game. And this is the link for the talk through videos. When you finish, you're going to come to this page. Ready to try a different puzzle? I've added 4 different puzzles from code.org that you can use. I've made sure that they work and they work with our system here at Cove. So these are the 4. There's the Angry Birds, Star Wars, a new one for you, AI for Oceans, and Dance Party. I hope you have a great time today. If you take pictures of the event, send them my way, drop me an email because I'd love to see what everybody's up to. Thanks again for joining us for the Hour of Code for 2021.